GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about a new airdrop opportunity. Let's talk about Mint Chain. What is Mint Chain? As they call it themselves, this is the L2 blockchain that connects global consumers with NFTs built on a super chain, means on optimism. The website is mintchain.io. As always, all the links are down in the description. While you're down there, feel free to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. That helps me a lot. The mainnet is live and you can bridge to Mint, which is what you kind of need to do if you want to claim the NFT boxes that I'm going to talk about later in the video. Although there's a way to do this without needing to bridge. I'm gonna go into detail later. You can add Mint mainnet to your wallet, MetaMask, Rabby, and so on. And yeah, what they are doing is they are focusing on NFTs. You can see this in their banner here, connecting global consumers with NFTs, Bitcoin, then Ethereum, altcoins, and Mint NFTs. They are live on mainnet. They have been building this for quite some time. Although I must say it's kind of tricky because Abstract is launching soon and Abstract has a lot of hype. And also Abstract is focusing on consumers, are calling themselves the consumer chain. So it will be really interesting how those two play out and who's going to win this consumer-faced chain battle here. But let's go in. The website, as I said, is mintchain.io. There has been airdrops campaign, airdrop home. You can do some tasks here. It's actually a bit late for this, but you can go through all of this. Also, there's the optimism season where you can do certain tasks that give you then the optimism token as a reward. Then what you can do now, and this is new, and this is the NFT Legends season. 1% of the Mint total supply, which means 10 million Mint allocation, goes to NFT Legends. And the chances are pretty high that if you have been active trading NFTs, collecting NFTs, that you count as an NFT Legend. So what does that mean? This is the official account, Mint blockchain. They also have an account for the ecosystem, which is this Mint blockchain. As I said, all the links are down in the description, but they pinned this post here. NFT Legend Box eligibility and allocation checker is now live. Link your wallet now and see what's waiting for you. Learn more and how to claim your NFT boxes below. Yeah, that's basically what we're going to go through now to see if you are eligible. They have a Mirror article that explains everything. I will put this down in the description as well. So basically there's different types of boxes that you can get for if you did certain things. And actually what explains it a bit better is that's also here in this thread, the Google Doc. And I'm gonna go through this here because I think it's a better overview. I already said this, 1% goes to the NFT Legends season, and this is 1 billion total supply and 1% is then 10 million Mint. And here are the detailed claiming steps. So you need to go to the claiming stage, claiming page. I already did this. So this is mintchain.io/airdrop/NFT Legends. So if you're on the website, just go here to airdrops and then NFT Legends season. You can see here that I already claimed the boxes for this account, but we will go through this with another one. Let's go to the tutorial. So you will then get a journey data, so that shows you what you actually did in the NFT space, and then there's a certain amount of boxes that you get for holding certain NFTs on EVM chains, including Ethereum, Optimism Base, Barra Chain, Mint blockchain, and so on. So CryptoPunks, for example, get 5 boxes. The Pudgies, the Bored Apes, the Rap CryptoPunks, they all get 5 boxes. Then 4 boxes go to Azuki Doodles, Space Doodles, and Mint ID. 3 boxes to the Mutant Apes, the Bond Bears, and so on and so on. So it's definitely worth checking if you have any of those. You can see this here. There's also an overview For example, also if you have the OpenSea Genesis NFT, that also gives you a box, and so on and so on. So you can go through here or just go through the checker if you are eligible. Then they check it automatically. And also for every, where do they have this? Trading, there. Active traders who have NFT trading records on major NFT markets, meaning OpenSea, Blur, OKX, Web3, and so on, can claim one NFT Legend box for every 20 ETH of trading volume based on a total trading amount. And a maximum of 5 NFT Legend boxes can be claimed. So you can get up to 5 additional NFT Legend boxes here. You can claim those. You need some gas actually on Mint Chain to do this. And if you don't have any gas there, and if you don't want to send any ETH on Mint Chain, which you could do, for example, through the official, let's go to the main page, Bridge to Mint, through the official bridge, where you can also bridge from Arbitrum and some other L2s, which is always way cheaper than bridging from mainnet. So you could do this way, but what you can also do is what I showed in this video here with the gas account from Rabby. You can basically fuel your gas account in Rabby and then pay for this with Rabby, and you don't need any funds on Mint Chain actually. So this is a workaround if you don't want to send any ETH there. And the opening of the NFT Legend boxes starts on February 16 until the airdrop day. Claimed boxes will be open to reveal the type of NFT Legend cards obtained, and those will determine the final amount of mint rewards. So kind of like we've seen it for Blur, for example, where you had the boxes, then they had different rarities, as you can see here. They have different tiers, those cards, and they will give you a certain amount of the token then. A is standard, S premium, double S rare, triple S legendary. The higher tier of the NFT Legend card you unbox, the greater the number of mint tokens it contains. Here you can see the timeline again, January 2nd until February 15th. You can claim the boxes, so you still got plenty of time from when I upload this video. Then you have the unbox period from the 16th of February until the airdrop day. We don't know when the airdrop day will be so far. And then the Mint airdrop and TGE will be, at least we know this, sometime in Q1 25. And that's basically it. So I think it's pretty clear what you gotta do to actually claim those NFT boxes. I think it makes sense to go through this with your wallets if you own any of those NFTs, if you have some trading volume on one of the major NFT marketplaces. We don't know how much this will be worth. This is why I did it with the Rabby gas account, because I don't having small amounts of ETH lying around on all those L2s if I don't know if it's worth holding it there. So I claimed it with the Rabby gas account. I will do the reveal as well with the gas account. So yeah, feel free to check out that video. Now I connected another wallet that I haven't checked so far. It's just a old wallet that didn't have much on it, so it probably won't give me anything, but I wanted to show you how the process actually looked like that we talked about. So this wallet has been active since 903 days. First NFT I minted with this since July 19th, 22. Then you click through this, you see that I minted 38 NFTs with this wallet here. I sent 14 NFTs, received 4 NFTs, and my gas consumption in this wallet is 0.07 ETH. The total gain is 0 ETH because I never sold or bought anything, so I don't have any trading volume on that wallet here as well. It was just used to mint some NFTs basically, where I had the allow list. So it was connected to pre-mint back then. I have 28 NFTs of 15 collections with 0.0384 ETH estimated value. The highest collection, I'm holding 0 blue chip and 0 estimated value. Okay, and then the actual eligibility checker goes alive. I don't have any blue chip NFT, as you already saw. If you hold any, then you can see this. Okay, I don't have any blue chip NFTs, so I can't claim any legend boxes. I don't have any volume on this wallet, so basically I get 0 legend boxes. This wallet is not eligible. If this wallet would be eligible, I could then click here, mint or claim my NFT Legend boxes, and then pay for it either with ETH on Mint Chain or by using the Rabby gas account. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Let me know how much boxes you were able to claim. Maybe you have several wallets that are eligible, and let me know your estimates as well if this will be worth claiming, and also if this airdrop will be worth some money. And then see you again in the next video.